everyone. Welcome to Action English Academy. Today, we are going to learn different professions in a very easy way. Watch carefully and repeat after me. Let's start. He is an accountant.
I manage money.
Repeat after me, accountant. He is a cook.
I cook food.
Repeat after me, cook. He is a designer.
I create designs.
Repeat after me, a designer. He is a dark day.
I help sick people.
Repeat after me, dark day. He is a driver.
I drive vehicles.
Repeat after me, driver. He is an electrician.
I fix electrical problems.
Repeat after me, electrician. He is an engineer.
I design buildings.
Repeat after me, engineer. He is a farmer.
I grow crops.
Repeat after me, farmer. He is a firefighter.
I put out fires.
Repeat after me, firefighter. He is a journalist.
I report news.
Repeat after me, journalist. He is a lawyer.
I defend people.
Repeat after me, lawyer. He is a manager.
I manage a team.
Repeat after me, manager. He is a mechanic.
I repair vehicles.
Repeat after me, mechanic. He is a photographer.
I take photos.
Repeat after me, photographer. He is a pilot.
I fly airplanes.
Repeat after me, pilot. He is a police officer.
I protect people.
Repeat after me, police officer. He is a programmer.
I write code.
Repeat after me, programmer. He is a teacher.
I teach students.
Repeat after me, teacher. He is a waiter.
I serve food.
Repeat after me, waiter. If you enjoyed this video, like, comment, and share. Follow and subscribe for more EV English lessons. See you in the next video. Bye.